Hello, welcome to Kryptonite channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your TIN for free in less than 2 minutes. So in case you don't know, TIN stands for Taxpayers Identification Number. And this is very important for everyone if you are living in Nigeria right now. Whether you're individual or business, it's a must for you to have Taxpayers Identification Number because you are going to need it in banks or if you are monetizing your social media page. The good news here is that you can get it for free. Yes, absolutely free. As you can see my own certificate right now as a taxpayer in Nigeria. Let me show you step-by-step guide on how to get your TIN. But don't just watch this video like a stranger. Join the family by subscribing to this channel, liking this video and turning on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop updates like this. I will drop the link to this TIN official website in the comment section. Just go to the comment section of this video, you will find it there. But make sure you watch this video to the end before you click on the link so that you will not make a mistake. Click on register for TIN individual. On the interface right here, you are asked to provide some details which includes your BVN, your date of birth, first name and your last name. So after filling these informations, all you have to do is to come to this I'm not a robot and tap on it. So for you to prove that you are human, you need to select the stairs which they say you should select. And after that, you tap on verify. So after all that, you use this button right here to submit. So after you've done that, they will send you a message on your email that your submission or your application went through. And finally, within 1 week or less, you are going to get an email from them that looks like this. Yes, exactly what you are seeing on the screen right now, which includes your TIN, which is Taxpayer Identification Number. And for you to download the full certificate, all you have to do is to scroll down and you are going to see where to download it into your gallery. So this is how to register and get your TIN for free in less than 2 minutes. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, your family, because I know they must need this. And most importantly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.